Hello and welcome to another reaction episode. Today I am reacting with this guy. Today we are doing that thing again where we are looking at other people talk.
My favorite kind of thing to do.
So we're gonna watch this video. The video is called One Thing Which Should Be Banned in India.
Okay, great. And the channel is called Total Indian Drama. I'm in.
Want to ban Salman Khan like acting. Definitely like he sucks.
You know, I remember my first open mic, Tanmay.
If Salman was in front of him, he wouldn't say that shit.
This guy would 100% be like, big fan, take the first photo.
Yeah.
It's all happening at CP in Delhi.
The most informed opinions come out of CP. Did you not know? That's the place Amartya Sen took strolls in before he,
Of course,
he
of
thought
course,
of
of
all
course.
these theories.
Of course, everybody knows that the basis of all great economics is
Yeah.
Nirula's.
किसी को भी ये जोक समझा क्या?
Smoking should be banned. बीड़ी, cigarette, it's very harmful.
अभी तो आप पी रहे थे थोड़ी देर
हाँ
पहले.
पी रहे थे, but
He just got caught. What the fuck?
She was standing there the whole time. Like, this guy basically like मेरे से quitting नहीं हो रहा है.
तो बैन कर दो नहीं तो नहीं होगा. Please,
हाँ,
please
कर
ban.
दो.
मतलब वो ban हो जाएंगे तो there will come some new alternatives like marijuana, weed. It's healthy also.
You know, I feel like I prejudged this guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, they had us the first half, I'm not gonna lie.
I think PUBG.
I want to ban TikTok from India.
Guess who got their wish, son?
His face is appropriate.
अभी आजकल TikTok पे लोग कंटेंट कुछ भी लेकर कुछ भी बना रहे हैं.
Dude, look at this guy.
The
Look at
guy
this
in the
guy.
back, the guy in
Yeah,
the
the guy in the back. The guy in the back.
पे लोग कंटेंट कुछ भी लेकर कुछ भी बना रहे हैं.
Is this what it's like when
Yeah.
I'm around you guys?
Basically,
Sorry,
basically,
sorry.
Basically, it's just that.
जो लड़कियों का ड्रेस है अधनग्न पहनावा है इसको बंद होना चाहिए.
Of course.
Of course.
It's like she was looking. Sir, आप कुछ गलत बोल सकते हैं क्या सर? क्या हम अच्छा कैमरा ऑन कर.
The previous two guys said we should end casteism. Now, how do I do the opposite of that in the next frame? You know, it's like Eisenstein montage theory. Like
Yeah.
I showed one thing, now how do I show the opposite?
I think this whole video is a metaphor for the diversity of the country and the richness of the diversity of thought.
In early Rome, there used to be spaces where people could go and just say things. And as we all know, you know, Rome fell.
मीडिया ही बंद होना चाहिए क्योंकि ये लोग जो जितने भी न्यूज चैनल वाले हैं ना इतने भड़काऊ और इतने
Oh my
debate,
god!
इतना खतरनाक.
I think he was this close to being Gorbin Dandi.
Yes, it was.
I think-
That pause, that there's one little pause before Bhadkao.
Yeah.
You know that cow was not the end of that word.
Yeah.
ठीक है या बड़वे.
This dude was just waiting in CP to tell somebody this. Like, किसी को आने दो कैमरा के साथ बस.
Yeah.
ये बोलना है.
ये ऐसे
बोलना है.
फैमिली व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का विक्टिम लग रहा है. मतलब years of pressure that have been built up inside him.
Yeah. This is that one outlier.
You know,
with every wedding.
he looks like कि इसको ये लड़की आके पूछी भी नहीं थी. Like ये उसको बुलाए. सुन. मेरे को बोलना है तुझे कुछ. इधर.
Madam.
It must be income tax because ban नहीं होना चाहिए but at least कम हो जाए.
एग्जाम
Ban income tax.
Bad income tax. Roads will build themselves. Like schools will fund themselves, and already some 4 people pay income tax. Like क्या होने वाला है यार income tax?
हाँ उनमें से 2 मैं ही हूँ.
हाँ exactly. तू और अक्षय कुमार.
That's it.
मतलब हमारे एफर्ट्स देखें उसमें, ठीक है, आंसर में वर्ड्स ना देखें कि हाँ ये कीवर्ड्स हैं, नहीं, हमारे एफर्ट्स देखें हमने कितना लिखा है और हम आए कितना है, इतनी दूर चल के आए हैं पेपर देने.
ये इधर आज एग्जाम दे के आया या जो फेल होने वाला है. ये
Yeah.
बहुत पैशनेटली बोल रहे हैं ये दोनों.
Oh man, this is the face of trauma, dude.
Yeah, this kind of, I feel like this exam has already happened, so they're saying things like, see, शब्द नहीं देखने चाहिए, जो विचार है वो कंसिडर करने चाहिए. I think my feeling honestly is
I think इस बंदे ने आज चीटिंग करने को ट्राई की पर उसके आगे वाले ने उसको दिखाया नहीं कुछ भी. Okay,
exactly.
so he's just upset. His whole life is pum.
that is deadly acting.
आप क्या बैन करना चाहोगे इंडिया में?
वह मतलब जैसे अपना ड्रिंक्स वगैरह पे वैट बहुत है और
He's like, एक मिनट मैम, हाँ मेरी बात सुनिए. एक तो पहले एग्जाम फक कॉल गया, उसके बाद दारू पीने जाए तो
Okay, 50 bucks says इसका rant is going to end with अरे करे तो करे क्या, बोले तो बोले क्या. One thing you needed freedom from: phone versus girlfriend, boyfriend.
मोबाइल फोन रखना.
मोबाइल फोन आप
मोबाइल फोन.
क्यों वैसे
मोबाइल मेरी मर्जी से चलता है, बॉयफ्रेंड मुझे अपनी मर्जी से चलाना चाहता है.
क्या लगा था लोग क्या बोलेंगे? नहीं, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है.
मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड मेरे लिए रोज रात 1 घंटे के लिए टिकटॉक डांस करता है. सोने के पहले.
It's obvious. What is this comparison even? Like माँ ज्यादा पसंद है कि तुम्हारा वॉशिंग मशीन? ये क्या है? ये कोई सवाल है पूछने का? Which one do you prefer? Your kidneys or गोला वाला? Time for some truth bomb, man.
It's time to learn.
Okay, so what turns me off in a guy would be
Okay, take a wild guess कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे इसमें.
बॉडी ओडर तो आने वाला है.
बॉडी ओडर आने वाला है. बैड डांसर आएगा.
बैड डांसर विल बी अ थिंग.
शॉर्ट आएगा. शॉर्ट बिकॉज मर्दों को ओपनली बोलना कि अगर आप लंबे नहीं हो तो you're not worthy of being with is fine. I said it.
Yeah.
I said
it's
it.
like you're speaking truth to power, Tanna.
Yeah.
But ideally look down when you speak.
He should pay on the first date and basically all the dates. And moreover,
Wow,
his car should
this
be
has
neat
turned
and
into a
tidy.
reaction video of what turns me off in women. How did that happen? Yeah, I mean, okay, I understand why car should be neat and tidy, but that surely can't be the deal breaker. Like,
Should
उसको
be on
Uber
the
चाहिए
first-
basically. उसको Uber with cashback चाहिए.
guys when they are clean shaved.
You know, I swear I thought she was going to say clean. And then she took the gap between clean and shave was too long. When he's too clean, मुझे पसंद नहीं है, बहुत साफ रहता है तो. जब तक मैं अपने बॉयफ्रेंड पे डस्टिंग नहीं करती तब तक मुझे मजा नहीं आता. ओके, आज क्या कर रहे हो? आज भी सूरज को कटका लगा रही हो. लाइक
It's a personal choice, but I hate short guys who are all bulked up.
Boom, short
there
है,
you
right?
go.
There it is.
Short guys.
Who are all bulked up. This woman would not date SpongeBob.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं
So his smell, and he should really smell good when I'm around.
Body odor has also arrived.
Body odor has arrived, but she said he should smell good when she's around.
Okay, otherwise whatever.
बाकी टाइम पे तू मेरे साथ रहेगा. You need to be सूरज कपूर. बाकी टाइम पे तू चरनोबिल हो जा, मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. And all her friends are coming like, सूरज बहुत पाद मारता है यार, कैसे रहती है तू उसके साथ?
नहीं.
She's like, मेरे साथ तो he's always smelling good और उसके गाड़ी में इतना नीटनेस है that I don't care.
That is not very appealing.
His gestures on the first date toward the other girls and his eating habits.
Gestures.
Wait, gestures means like in the sense, no, I think she means gestures by like pulling out the chair or holding the door. Not gestures like when you sit down for dinner, suddenly like, ooh.
He's like, and he comes and he's like, hi, क्या gestures किया उसने आज? मजा ही आ गया. It was like he's a translator, you know. It really felt like it.
When you interact and the way he talks, you know, if he cannot make an interaction, if he cannot make a conversation, that is the biggest turn off. Like, okay, maybe I'm judging too much.
Girl and boy.
We all grew up between 130 and 135.
Girl and boy, they are talking and
I only like the beginning of it, okay?
Yeah.
She's like, what turns you off in men? ठीक है, मैं तेरे को सीन बताती हूँ, ठीक है? लड़की और लड़की बात करें एक दूसरे का, ठीक है? सन 1997 में बात
How
है.
long you got?
चंपानेर की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. 4 hours later, this interviewer also is like, तू लाखा, तू वापस आ जा लाखा. नहीं लाखा. And she's like, anyway, so body odor was my answer.
Body odor, yeah, that's.
girl thinks she's right and the boy proves that he's right. This is wrong. If she thinks she's right.
wait, what was this? This was a very long hypothetical.
right.
I think अभी झगड़ा हुआ है बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ. Specific कुछ तो हुआ है.
100%. 100. This interviewer just happened to be there.
I think the fight was also about, babe, तू बहुत complicated examples देती है. नहीं.
नहीं.
एक मिनट रुक जा. Sir, एक लड़का और लड़की होते हैं, ठीक है?
Looks, by time it will fade, but his inner soul will go on forever. It's wrong.
I wish inner soul would also fail, like fade.
Inner soul, in my opinion, from all the human beings I've met so far, I would say inner soul fades way faster.
Inner soul also fading, man.
I know lots of handsome people in 40s and 50s,
Yeah.
but soul is like kacha.